Okay, so earlier today when I was eating lunch, I was practicing Square-1 and happened to get an 8.2 average of 5, which is pretty crazy since my previous average of 5 was 9.3, beat a bit over a second. So since I wasn't recording, since I was eating lunch, I thought I'd just do Reconstructions and solves. This is like what wowowow did. If you're following him, you can also get like a SPB average of 5 and reconstruct the solve since you're recording. Alright, so the first solve. Okay, so first solve was 7.2, the best solve of the average. So here I would start with scallop. See the scallop's already formed there, and it's grouped 2 here. So I did a Z2 to start, and form a scallop like that, starting with a -2, or yeah, -2 on top. Continue like that. And CO is easy, one slice. Gives you EO. And then here I have opposite on top and adjacent on the bottom corner rotation. And see if I preserve the blocks, I'll get adjacent. And here I would cancel into the middle layer flip, since adjacent doesn't flip the middle layer. And just do adjacent. And next solve. Okay. This solve, I don't see it kind of dumb. I should have sliced here to get fist, but instead what I did was start with the 3 on bottom, and do fist, and then continue fist like that. And CO, EO, and see you have like these giant blocks on both layers, in both adjacent corner permutation. And what I did here was I noticed if I just do JJ on both layers, I get adjacent, and just do that. And next solve, the solve was 8.45. Okay, this solve. So I started off with a slice. Well, at first I noticed that I could just do kite scallop. So I formed here to get the scallop on bottom, and then move the line on top to get kite scallop, and just continue kite scallop. And then CO is easy, 2 gen, and EO like this. And then I noticed that I have blocks on both layers, like here, and here. And then just do adjacent, just corner permutation. And then I get adjacent EP. And I cancel into the slice flip on bottom. Alright, the solve was 9.01. Next solve. Alright, this was the worst solve, 11.35, which is still pretty good. So I start off with a slice. Well, here I would do another kite scallop. So I formed the scallop like that. Just doing a slice right away. And I have muffin on bottom. So what I do is get the line up to the scallop like that. Move the D layer by 2, and then get the scallop kite. And then here, CO and EO. And here what I did was do JJ, preserving the blocks so it gets solved in the U-perm. And it's counterclockwise U-perm on top. Alright, this solve. So this solve was 7.13. What I did here was I did okay, how do I describe this? I moved it to a paw. So I first moved this adjacent, or this L shape from the fist up here to get this shape on top. And I moved this L to match with this block of 2, like that, and I get paw on both layers. Like that. And then CO, and EO here, and here I notice I'll get a CP skip. And I happen to get it. Good U. Cancel into the layer flip, and then AUF. So yeah, that's pretty lucky. Last solve. We're pretty lucky overall. Yeah, I didn't really have a big reaction to that average since I was with a lot of other people, and it would have been awkward to react like that in public. But yeah, still a really nice average. Probably not gonna get another PB like that for a while. Alright, that's enough. Bye.